Hi children, this is Dr. Uma Rani Purushothaman welcoming you all to my story page today. I am going to tell you about a grandfather and a grandchild story now. Okay, and that grandfather, like he is a very pious man. Every day morning he will get up early and he will do meditation and he'll be reading all uh, good books, wisdom books. He will all read and for some time, and after that only he will start his routine life. And the grandchild, that son, grandson, was wanted to be like his the grandfather. So he will also try to imitate his grandfather by doing meditation and by reading some books, but he will not be able to concentrate at all. His mind will be wavering. Okay, so he will feel very bad. So he will go and tell his grandfather, Grandpa, I also want to be like you. I want to meditate, I want to read good books, I want to teach good things to others, but I am not able to concentrate at all. Why? Like that, the child will ask. Then the grandfather will say, Okay, baby, come here. He will ask him to take, they will have one coal basket, that will have made of bamboo, that will have some holes, it will have some holes. So he will ask him to bring that coal basket which has holes, and ask him to go to the stream which is next to the house, bring water inside the house. The boy will run fast, like that. The grandpa will say he will try to the maximum, but how come, with the whole, all the water, it will, fall down, and he will not be able to bring even a drop of water inside the house. So the boy was so, he'll be so tired, and then, he'll be telling his grandpa, it's waste, grandfather. How can I bring water? There is no possibility at all. I'm wasting my time. Like that, this child will say. He will say, no. Look at the basket, he will ask. Then he will look at the basket. The coal basket, no, they will be carrying coal every day. It would have been black in color, so dirty. But now that he had been bringing water again and again, then the entire basket will be very clean and it will be shining. And then the grandfather will say, this is how, when you will not be able to concentrate, that is very sure, for everyone it will be like that, child, not only for you, even for me it was like that in the initial stage. But how you have been, like with determination, you have been bringing water, knowing very well that you could not bring, you have been bringing water again and again in that that coal basket. Like that, if you try to concentrate in reading and concentrate in meditating, as days goes on, you will also become so bright, like how this coal basket which was very dirty has become very clean. Like that, your mind also will become clean, and all that what you are reading, everything will enter your mind, and you will definitely get your concentration. Like that, the grandfather will advise. Children, I am telling you, when you are going to study, I know some of you will not have interest in studying. I know that that is the nature of any child. Okay, exceptions are always there. But don't worry, kids, you will be like that in the initial stage. But you should always think, children, that I should come up well in my studies, I should be the topper. Like that, if you think in that way and keep concentrating in your studies, as days goes on, how this boy was able to like meditate and read good books, definitely you all will be able to do that and achieve in your life. Thank you, kids. Keep trying what I have been telling you. I am sure that you all will achieve in your life. Thank you. Meet you again.